Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we're going to make a mayonnaise. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Drop that.
Let's have first the ingredients for mayonnaise. 4 tablespoons of white flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 piece of egg, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. Then materials: measuring cups and spoons, mixing bowl, mixer, sterilized jars. So here we go, we're going to make mayonnaise.
First thing to do, we're going to mix the 5 ingredients here in our mixing.
We're going to put 1 piece of an egg in the mixing bowl. One teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next is the 4 tablespoons of white flour. And lastly, pour the 1 cup of water. And after that, we're going to use the electric egg beater or mixer to stir constantly until it became a little bit thick mixture. Then cool the mixture. Then add 1 cup of oil. And then continue to stir constantly. Add the 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Just continue to stir constantly until it became thick. Here I use 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar instead of citric acid. Just stir constantly. There you go guys, as what we have seen, it became a little bit thick. That we're going to put the mixture into the sterilized jar. And here it is, presenting JB Mayonnaise, the finished